Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying your holidays. At this pandemic situation, everyone must stay in your home. Is there any necessity means must wear the mask and go away from your home and use the sanitizer also. So safety is first. Today we see the new lesson in geography. So what is the title of the lesson? The universe and solar system. First understand the title. The universe and solar system. Here given the two pictures. The first picture it describes about the universe and second one is for the solar system. So what is meant by universe? You know very well. The universe is consist of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, natural satellites, everything included. It's called as universe. And then solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system and there are 8 planets. So what are the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune and some of the rough planet in the solar system like Pluto, Ceres, Makmak. These are the rough planets. We are living in the third planet Earth. See the first point, Big Bang. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion called Big Bang. So what is meant by Big Bang? Numerous stars and celestial bodies it came into existence like from blast. Massive explosion is called Big Bang. These celestial bodies together are called the universe. The study of universe is called cosmology. So what is meant by the study of universe? The study of universe is called cosmology. The term cosmos is derived from the Greek word cosmos. Next one, the universe. We already discussed how the universe will be formed. For example, your house have a address, right? Your address in your street in your district, the district in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the state in India. India is one of the country in Asian continent. So Asia is in Earth. The Earth is the third planet in the solar system. After that, the solar system in the galaxy. Our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. The billions of galaxy is called as universe. First one, the universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. That means it like a very broad in the space. The universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 50 billion years ago. That means 15 billion years after only it will be created the universe. The universe consists of billions of galaxies like stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteorites and natural satellites. After that only the universe will be formed. Everything included is called as universe. So what is meant by universe? Include billions of galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, natural satellites is called as the universe. Next, galaxy. Our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. So it will be formed 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Right? Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy. Right? Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth. See the first point. The Milky Way galaxy was formed 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is one of the part of Milky Way galaxy. Next, the solar system. We already discussed the sun is the center of the solar system and there are 8 planets. We are living in the third planet Earth, like a blue planet. The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. So the sun is the center of the solar system. Each members of the solar system revolves around the sun. That means all the planets like from Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all the planets revolve around the sun. It never changed their path. Third point, the sun is the The sun is so huge that it accounts for 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. That means the sun is very huge. So how many percentage? 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. That means 1.3 millions earth is stored in the sun. So that much huge is the sun. Fourth point, the sun is made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. So the sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. See the first point, the sun is the center of the solar system. Second point, all the planets revolve around the sun. Third point, it has the huge 99.8% entire the mass of the solar system. Fourth one, it made up of hydrogen and helium. And next point, the sun. The sun is a star. So the sun is called as star. It is self-luminous, so it gives light on its own. The surface temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. It is the source of the light and heat energy to the entire solar system. That means the sun have the own production of the light. So only it give for the full power to all the solar system. See this third point, its surface temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. And fourth point, it is the source of the light and heat energy. That means it will be produced automatically light and heat energy to give for the entire solar system. So the sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. So the sunlight will be take very fastly to reach the earth to only 8.3 minutes. See the first point, the sun is a star, and second point, it is a self-luminous to give the light on its own. That means own production. Third one, its temperature was 6000 degrees Celsius. And fourth one, it gives the source of light and heat to entire the solar system. Fifth point, sunlight takes about only for 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Next one, planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets? 8 planets in the solar system. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets rotate anti-clockwise from west to east. That means all the planets will rotate the anti-clockwise from west to east on their own axis except the Venus and Uranus. Except the Venus and Uranus, remaining all the planets will be rotate anti-clockwise direction. That means west to east. Last point, all the planets do not move out of their path or away from the solar system. That means they have their own path. It will be travel from the path to enter the solar system, enter the sun, but never change their route. See the first point, there are 8 planets. And second point, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And third point, so all the planets rotate anti-clockwise direction from west to east except Venus and Uranus. And fourth point, the planets do not move out of their path away from the solar system. Next, the four planets nearer to the suns are called the inner or terrestrial planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars is called the inner planet. The surface of inner planet has mountains, volcanoes and craters. And next point, the last 4 planets are called the outer planets or Jovian planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So first 4 planet is called inner planet and remaining 4 planet is called the outer planet. They are also called gaseous giant. See the first planet, Mercury. So the Mercury is the first and nearer from the sun. Mercury, the nearest planet. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. So the entire solar system, the first planet is for Mercury. It is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Second point, it is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of God. So the Mercury is called as messenger of gods. Third point, it is an airless and waterless planet. So the Mercury is called airless and waterless planet. Fourth one, it has no natural satellites. So Mercury does not have natural satellites. And last point, Mercury can be viewed in the morning and evening with the naked eyes. See the first point, it is the smallest and closest planet. It is called the messenger of God. Third one, it is an airless and waterless planet. Fourth one, have no natural satellite. Fifth point, we can see morning and evening with naked eyes. That means normally we can see the Mercury. Second one, Venus. So Venus is the second planet from the Sun. So Venus is the second planet. It is called Earth twins. That means twins means like a same shape of the Earth. So Venus and Earth is called the Earth twins. See second point, it is called Earth twins as it's almost the same size as the Earth. See third point, it has the longest rotation period, 243 days among the planet in the solar system. So all the planets have the separate quality in the planets, the solar system. Venus have take the rotation period 243. The remaining planet also have the some other days. Next, it has Venus. It has no natural satellites like Mercury. So Mercury does not have the natural satellite. It's like a same one, Venus. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. So Venus is called as love and beauty. It is often visible in the morning and evening. So the Venus will be easily visible from the morning and evening time. So it is frequently called the morning star and evening star. So the Mercury is called the morning star and evening star. See the first point, they have no natural satellite. Second one, it is called for love and beauty. Third one, it is often visible morning and evening time. So Venus is called the morning star and evening star. Thank you, students.